Good afternoon, members. Good afternoon. My name is Adong Judith. Come from Gulu, from a clan called Pailim. Good afternoon. My name is Adong Judith. I come from Gulu in a clan known as Pailim, which means money. Then I will talk about where Acholi culture has originated from. Acholi originates from Baral Gazelle in the central Sudan. Back then, we were iron workers and farmers. Then I'll talk about the chief, how the chiefdom came in. The chiefdom were introduced by the Palu, who were the neighboring people in Bunyoro Kitara. And in Acholi, they are known as Rods, which means king. Then I'll talk of our staple food. Actually, we have millet, we have bush meat, we have cassava, we have yams, then we have vegetables. There are greens. In the local language, it's called bo. Then we have malakwang. Then we always paste our food, mostly. Then I'll talk about our special clothings. We have chikoyo, we have gomesi for the ladies. Then we have, for men, they wear long sleeve with blazers, as you can see. Long sleeves with blazers. Then also, we forgot to put one thing, they wear suits. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm by the name Marine Alex from Gulu, from a clan called Lupaten. I want to talk about the uniqueness of our culture. Like in times of burial, when the burial is taking place, the deceased has to face the family. Like when we are burying a person, like the head should face the home to show that the spirit is still part of the family. Then you also talk about the elephant, which is considered as brave, wise, and energetic animal. As you can see, the Acholis, our mark there, they are strong, energetic. I also want to talk about our culture has contributed to business. We can talk of culture has promoted tourism in Gulu. For example, these tourists, they come to view those palaces. But my colleague failed, she forgot to talk about the name of our chief, called Rot Achana, the second. Culture also promotes accommodation facilities, like we have bomb hotels, we have Acholi Inn, we also have Golden Peace. Then also we have, I want to talk about the dances, our traditional dances. We have one of them called the, the, the Bola dance. We have one of them called the Bola dance. As you can see, I want to make it brief. There's some other traditional dances called the Raka Raka dance, which is always the Raka Raka. Yeah, it's not there. The Raka Raka is always performed when we are welcoming the king, like in case of a function somewhere. But still, we can use the same dress codes as you can see, with the animal feathers, like for my colleague. We also have the animal skins. We have some other stuff called calabash. Another one also is called Otole dance, which is always done when we are going for a war, to give us the courage and the strength and motivation. That one, I think I don't have the dress codes here. I think that's all for our culture. Thank you very much.